Hi, everyone. I'm drawing numbers in 4 operations. Join me, let's draw and color together. I'm drawing number 1. 1. Let's draw the number 2. 2. Let's draw the number 3. 3. It's going to be very colorful after the drawing. Now I'm drawing the number 4. 4. I'm drawing the number 5. 5. We are going to color the number and animate them together. Now I'm drawing the number 6. 6. Let's draw the number 7. 7. Now I'm drawing the number 8. 8. I'm drawing the number 9. 9. Let's draw the number 0. 0. Now let's draw the addition sign. Let's draw the multiplication sign. I'm drawing the subtraction sign. Now I'm drawing the division sign. Finally, I'm drawing the equal sign. Let's color the number 1 with red. Red 1. Let's color the number 2 with yellow. Yellow 2. The numbers are moving. Let's color the number 3 with green. Green 3. Let's color the number 4 with orange.
Flies in the buttermilk shoe, fly shoe. Flies in the buttermilk shoe, fly shoe. Flies in the buttermilk shoe, fly shoe. Skip to my loo, my darling.
Orange 4. Let's color the number 5 with blue.
Cats in the cream jar, ooh, ooh, ooh. Cats in the cream jar, ooh, ooh, ooh. Cats in the cream jar, ooh, ooh, ooh. Skip to my loo, my darling.
Blue 5. Let's color the addition sign with green. Green addition sign.
Cows in the pasture,
Let's color the multiplication sign with blue.
moo, moo, moo. Cows in the pasture, moo, moo, moo. Skip to my loo, my darling.
Blue multiplication sign. Let's color the subtraction sign with red.
Little red wagon painted blue. Little red wagon.
Red subtraction sign.
Skip to my loo, my
Let's color the division sign with yellow. Yellow division sign. Let's color the equal sign with orange.
Off to Texas 2 by 2. Off to Texas 2 by 2. Off to Texas 2 by 2. Skip to my loo,
Orange
my
equal sign.
darling.
Let's color the number 6 with pink.
Lost my partner, what'll I do?
Pink 6.
Lost my partner, what'll
Let's
I
color
do?
number 7 with
Lost my
purple.
partner, what'll I do? Skip to my loo, my darling.
Purple 7.
Found my partner,
Let's color the number 8 with orange.
found my partner, love is true.
Orange 8. Let's color the number 9 with yellow. Yellow 9. Let's color the number 0 with red.
Yankee Doodle, keep it up. Yankee Doodle dandy. Mind the music and the step, and with the girls be handy.
Red 0. Little sparkles. Like and subscribe to my channel. See you in my next video.